How Linux works its magic. Imagine your computer as a quiet box without a brain. When you turn it on and put Linux on it, maybe from a USB stick, it's like giving that box a brain. A friendly installation wizard guides you. Soon, you get a "Welcome to Linux" message. Now, you can use your keyboard and mouse to tell your computer what to do. Linux is the boss that helps all your computer parts communicate and do what you want. Why Linux is so important, even if you don't see it. You might not use Linux at home, but it's working hard everywhere. The internet's backbone. Most big companies running websites or cloud services use Linux. It's super stable and secure, like a strong internet foundation. It's still free. A core philosophy. Software should be free to use and share. Super fast, secure. Linux is known for its command line. Typing secret codes makes it powerful, quick, and secure. While some Linux versions have graphical interfaces, many pros love the command line's speed and control. You can make it your own. Being open source means you can customize Linux to your exact needs. It's like building with Legos, a global family. Linux has a huge, friendly community of developers and users who help each other. Learn, grow. Learning Linux helps you understand how all computers work. A super valuable skill. So, Linux isn't just an operating system, it's a powerful idea about freedom, collaboration, and making technology better for everyone. Pretty cool, right?